Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to use any Python library in our environment. To do so, R has officially provided a documentation on their GitHub account where they have mentioned simple ways to execute this process. There is a prerequisite which is installing Reticulate library for all the ways that has been mentioned or we will talk about. The first method is directly installing using py.install. I have personally faced many problems while using this command. So I jump to the second process or the way which is creating a conda environment which will actually create a bridge from Python to R. This did work for me on one laptop but did not work on the other system. How I did this is I simply mentioned that I want to create this environment and I want to install this particular library in this environment, and then I import it as mentioned here. Don't worry, I'll provide the link in the description. Let's move directly to the R environment and I'll show how I did this. So this is nothing but creating a conda environment and then installing Nevergrid library. Actually, I required this library for executing the Robin wrapper provided by Facebook, and which is for market mix modeling, and a Nevergrad library or any such thing is not available in R. So I had to create a bridge of Nevergrad. This worked in one system but did not work in another. The reason was there was the version differences. So my Anaconda was using 3.6, however 3.9 was installed in my local environment. After having changed everything, I provided that my local environment is using Python 3.8.8, which is the current version that I'm using. If you see here, locally I'm using 3.8, and that to 3.8.8. So after mentioning this and creating the environment, I was able to execute this as well. But today I will tell you an even simpler way. Don't worry, I will provide this code as well. The code mentioned on the screen. However, I will recommend you all that you use the following code to use any of the Python library in R. Prerequisite will be having Python on your local environment, nothing else. To to actually see how many environments you have for Python is you run this code. It will provide you all the environments. For example, here I have an Anaconda environment where Anaconda is the base actually, and R reticulate is an environment which has Python. Now there is Python which is available locally. Then there is Python available in Anaconda directly, and there is one more environment which is RStudio, and Python is available there too. Now, what I will do is directly provide or use Python here, which I'm doing. Use Conda environment Python, and then whatever libraries are already installed in Python will directly be imported here. So if you want to see which all libraries that you want to use, whether they are available or not, just run this command nevergrad. If it says true, you can use it and you need not install it. Pandas is already there. Then there is TensorFlow, which I recently installed. Now if you want to also want to see PyTorch as well, here it says false. Now if you want to install any library and use it, you just need to go to Jupyter Notebook, write pip install TensorFlow as I have done here. You can see after installing, I have directly used it. So once this is installed, We will say import TensorFlow over here and restart our kernel once. Once we have restarted our kernel, we will directly come here and run this command. And you can say true because I have already installed it. This can also be done for PyTorch as well, and you will be able to use the library. For any doubts or question, you can directly ping me on my LinkedIn, or you can leave a comment. I'll try to solve your problem and reply there. If you like the video, do like and subscribe to channel. Thank you.